As I was talking about the 12 sources, so the next source is the criminology and the criminal justice, colonialism and the criminal justice. So in this, basically, in the first I talked about how colonialism affected the millions of people, by which the colonized government take the natural resources of a country. So but in this criminal justice, so they basically talk that how in criminology they basically talk that government should see every people as equally, so they should treat everyone equally. But when there was colonialism, and basically when a country is colonized by some other country, so their government will be in power, so they basically implement the rules on the native people of the country which is colonized. So they basically put the rules or implement the rules which are in the favor of the colonized government. So in this we talk about the organized crime. So in this organized crime, many times the colonized government makes some rules which are not in the favor of the people, and they basically are profitable for the colonized government, and because of which millions of people have got affected. So also there is an example of the criminal justice, for example the 13th amendment. So in this, the 30th amendment, so in America when the 30th amendment was made, and the people were so in this they mostly favor the white people, as when the law was passed, so then there will be no slave. But when they said there will be no slave, but according to 30th amendment, if someone do any crime, so they can be punished as a slave. So at that time, like, basically government put the black people, so basically there was the racial discrimination. So like this, when a country will be colonized, their people will be in favor, and if their people will be in favor, they will implement the rules which can be in the favor of only the ruling people. Also there are like many other examples which explain, like we were children and the France, in which France won, and also in we were children. So there are like many examples which will prove that when there will be colonialism in any country, so the criminal justice will not be fair with the native people of the country. Instead they will be more supporting their own country or their own native people. So also in India, so when the country was colonized, so they told the people to grow like the cotton, like they've called some plant which directly was in the favor of the colonized government, so they want to sell in the great prices in Britain. So they forced the people, so which affect the people and their income, and they took like a lot of taxes. So all these, when the country is colonized, so it will basically affect the native people of the country. So in basically the criminal justice, second source, they basically talk when a country is colonized, so there will be criminal justice which will be only in the favor of the colonized government, not in the favor of colonized people. So this is all about the second source.